What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick tutorial I'm gonna quickly show you how you can actually delete blank pages in here which are occupying empty spaces in your Microsoft Word document in here. And do not worry, this works on any Microsoft Word version, whether you're running 2019, 20, or if you're running Microsoft Office 365. Do not worry, the steps are exactly the same. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also do share cool tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So here we go. I've got a document in here which starts with a cover page. It has in here a table of contents, and then we've got a blank page in here. Next up, we've got in here some text. We've got in here a blank page again. Okay, so let me quickly collapse this, and as you can see, we've got in here a couple blank pages. One here. We've got 2, 3 blank pages in here that we wish to delete, right? This is our entire document in this order, starting here from the left all the way to the right, downwards to the right, downwards to the right, and downwards to the right. Okay, cool. So let me quickly just go back to my normal size, and we've got 2 ways of deleting. The very first way and the simplest way is, for example, heading here to the blank page and then tap once here with your cursor on the blank page. Next up, you simply want to press the following keyboard command. Okay, let me quickly just open the on-screen keyboard to make sure that you guys can see exactly which keys I am pressing right now. Okay, so suppose this is my keyboard. What I'm gonna press is press and hold Control, okay? Hold the Control key and then simply tap on backspace, right? That's all you need to do. Once you do this, that specific blank page will vanish. Here we go, the blank page has vanished. I'm gonna do it once again. Here we go, tapping here, tap on Control, tap on backspace, and here we go, the page has vanished. No problem at all. Now I'm gonna show you the last way of doing this. We've got in here one more blank page in here, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, you need to put the cursor here at the last text from the previous page, okay? The page that is actually before the blank page. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply tap delete, not the backspace, delete. Okay, so you've got your cursor here, tap, for example, okay, here we go, the blank page is here. Okay, keep your cursor here, simply tap on delete. Okay, tap once, and here we go, the blank page has vanished. Now if the blank page doesn't vanish, you can actually tap on delete several times, because it might be the case that we've got many empty paragraphs. What delete does, it keeps on deleting the upcoming paragraphs that we've got in here in the next pages. Okay, so this is like a reverse way of using backspace, right? But the most easiest way is the first method of using the Control key along with the backspace in order to delete the entire page easily. Here we go. We now do have our document well organized and without any blank page occupying here unnecessary space for us. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and if you have any doubt, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.